Friends, welcome to your English class. We are starting with the first chapter of your English book, and that is chapter is also related to first, and that is the first day of at the school. Now, what happens when we go for the first time to the school, or when it is the first day in the school? So, what do you think? While going to the school, you are very anxious, you are very nervous. Some feel like not going to the new school because we enjoy at our home also. Some feel very good that we'll meet new friends. So here the author Ellen Fisher is describing his own feelings, that how did he feel, how does a child feel when he or she goes for the first time to school. So the title of the poem is First Day at School. So how did that particular child feel when he or she went to the school? I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Okay, let's read the poem once again. It's a very small poem. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Okay, so these are all the wonders. Wonders means we are just thinking about that thing. It is like something new to us. I wonder, that means I think what will be this or that. Okay, so we are just in a fix, we are just puzzled what will be. Okay, so let's start with few lines. Okay, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Now who are theirs here? I am wondering, that means I am thinking, I am puzzled. What about I am thinking? If my drawing, we make some drawings. Okay, so before going to the school, at my first day at school, what I am thinking, whether my drawing will be as good as theirs. That means theirs is already the students who are there in the school. Okay, so I am wondering, I am just thinking whether my drawing will be as good as the students who are already there in the school, or it will be better than that, or it is not as good as their drawing. Okay, so first thing I am thinking is, when I'll make the drawing, then the other students will make better than me, or I will make better than them. Okay, next thing I wonder is, I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. Stares means to look continuously at someone. Okay, that is called staring. Okay, when I'm continuously looking at you, then that will be called as I'm staring at you. Okay, so I wonder if they will like me. So they stands again for the students who are already there in the class. So what I am wondering, what I am thinking, that whether the students who will be there in the class, they will like me, or they will just keep staring at me, gazing at me, or they will just look at me as if I am something new in the class, as if I am totally unknown. They will just look at me, or they will like me. Okay, if you like someone, then you obviously go and talk to that person. Okay, and if you just think about that person, if you don't like that person, you just stare at that person, you look continuously at that person. So he is just thinking that whether they will like me. If they will like me, then they will talk to me, or they will be just full of stares. That means only they will just look at me, continuously look at me, but won't talk to me. Okay, so the next thing, I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. Means next thing what the child is thinking, whether the school in which I am going, there the teacher will be like my mom or my granny. Gran stands for, gran is a short form of granny here. So he is wondering whether the teacher to whom I'll go, who will be the teacher in my class, will look like my mom, will be as sweet as my mom, will be as loving and caring as my mom and granny, or not. The child is thinking that whether my class teacher or the teacher whom I will meet first will be as good as my mother or my granny. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Now the puppy, that means the pet that the child is having, he will leave that pet alone at home because he is going to the school for at least 2 or 3 hours. So he is just thinking that when I will go at school, then what will my puppy think that where I am? He will be, when I am thinking so many things about that school, then what will my puppy think that for 2-3 hours when my puppy will not find me, then the puppy will wonder, the puppy will think that where I am. So the child, when he is going for the first day to the school, then what all he or she thinks is discussed in the poem. Let's read it once again. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they'll like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. So what four things the child is thinking. First thing about the drawing, whether the students who are already there in the class, their drawing will be as good as mine or better than me, or they will like me, or they will just keep staring at me, just keep looking at me. And next thing is the child is thinking whether the teacher will be as loving, as caring, as good as my mommy and granny or not. And the fourth and the last thing that the child is thinking is wondering is the when I will be at school, then my puppy will just go here and there and wonder where I am. The puppy will look for me. So these are the four things that are going on in the child's mind when he is going for the first time to school. Now you also just think that when you are going for the first time to the school, what all feelings are coming in your mind, and just jot it down, write on a piece of paper. Okay, so that was the poem, the first poem in your book. Hope you liked it. Okay, let's meet in the next class now. Okay, bye.